Advanced Features of Microsoft Word 2010. In this session, we will learn about finding and replacing text, working with shapes, using drawing tools, inserting word art, clip art, and watermark, borders and shading, inserting cover page.
This is the first part of this video.
Finding the text. When you are working with large documents, Word provides the facility to search your document using the Find feature, and change words or phrases using the Replace option. Click on the Find button in the Editing group on the Home tab. The navigation pane appears on the left side of the document window. Type the text that you want to find in the Search Document text box at the top of the navigation pane. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow, and preview will be displayed in the navigation pane. Replacing the text. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. To replace the text, click on the Replace button in the Editing group on the Home tab. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. In Find What box, type the text that you want to search for. In the Replace With box, enter the new text to replace the existing text. Working with shapes. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to add various shapes, like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc., to your document. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. Select Insert tab, and click on the Shapes button in the Illustration group. A drop-down menu displays various shapes. Select the smiley face from the Basic Shapes category. The pointer changes to crosshair symbol. Click and drag the mouse on the working area until the selected shape appears in the desired size. To rotate the shape, drag the green handle. You can also place the text in shapes. Select the desired shape and right-click on it. Select the Add Text option from the shortcut menu. The cursor appears on the object. Now you can type the text. Using drawing tools. The drawing toolbar contains various options to format shapes. Let us create a hut using various shapes. Select the line tool and draw the outline of the hut. To draw a door, select the rectangle tool and drag inside the hut. Click on the Shape Fill tool in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab, and fill any color of your choice. Select the Oval tool and draw a window in a hut. To duplicate the other window, use Ctrl+C for copying and Ctrl+V for pasting. To make clouds, click on the Callouts option in the Shapes list and select the cloud callout. Now drag the shape and fill gray color in it. To display the rain shower, draw a line and then select the Dashes option from the Shape Outline tool present on the Format tab.
Thank you for watching. To watch the second part of this video, click on the link given in the description box given below.